Understanding the phrase, long shadow, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, long shadow. This phrase is not only picturesque but also carries deep meaning. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. First, let's break down the phrase into its literal components. A shadow is a dark area or shape produced by a body coming between rays of light and a surface. The word, long, in this context refers to the shadow's length. Imagine the late afternoon sun casting elongated shadows. This visual can help you understand the literal meaning of a long shadow. Now, let's explore the figurative meaning. In English, long shadow often refers to a powerful, pervasive influence or effect, especially one that stretches over time or distance. It's used to describe situations where the impact or influence of something is significant and enduring. For example, the Great Depression cast a long shadow over the 20th century. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in context. 1. Historical impact. World War II left a long shadow on international politics. 2. Personal influence. Her mentor's teachings cast a long shadow over her career. 3. Cultural effects. The long shadow of ancient Greek philosophy is still evident in modern thought. When using long shadow in conversation or writing, it's important to pair it with subjects that have a significant and lasting impact. It's often used in a serious context and can add depth to your language when discussing history, personal influence, cultural impact, and even in literary critiques. And that's our journey through the phrase, long shadow. It's a powerful expression that adds depth to our understanding of influence and impact over time. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase and that you'll feel confident using it in your conversations. Remember, learning English is not just about words, but the vivid imagery and emotions they can convey. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.